Meaning of dead loss.
Dead loss.
Dead loss.
Dead loss.
Dead loss. Dead loss is an idiomatic expression that refers to a situation where there is no hope of recovery or where the result is a complete failure. It is often used to describe situations where resources, such as time or money, are irretrievably lost, or where investments become worthless. In such cases, there is no possibility of realizing any positive outcome or profit. The term may also be used to describe people or things that have no value or usefulness. Overall, dead loss indicates an outcome that is hopeless and cannot be salvaged or improved.